When an active water treatment plant in Florida needed their entire facility refinished, they called in the big guns. 2 Dustless Blasting companies joined forces to tackle this massive water treatment plant project. At this plant, everything needed work. Every metal tank, railing, and pipe that the eye could see needed coating and rust removal, in addition to the application of a fresh epoxy coating. They also needed all this done in under 10 weeks. To meet their deadline, the crews ran 3 Dustless Blasting machines simultaneously. 2 DB800 Mobile XLs and 1 DB800 Mobile Dual XXL. For the majority of the job, all 3 machines were wet blasting. Wet blasting, or dustless blasting, was hugely advantageous for this project. For one, by weighing down the abrasive with water, the crew gave every particle more mass, meaning it hit the substrate harder. They were able to increase their production rate using the same amount of media as they would with dry, saving them both money and time. Wet blasting also suppresses dust, which helped to contain the blasting debris to a small area and allow nearby teams to work safely. After a surface was blasted, it needed to be cleaned and treated with a rust inhibitor. Once the clean surface had dried, the crews would follow up with an application of the approved 2-part epoxy coating. This process was repeated for every tank, pipeline, and other applicable surface on the property. Proper containment and cleanup measures were crucial for this project. Thick plastic sheeting was laid on the ground to collect spent media and waste, which was later disposed of in portable dumpsters. When blasting near open water tanks, oversized tarps were used to keep blast debris out. Now let's talk about the results. The crew was able to complete the water treatment facility project within their 10-week timeline. By the end of those 10 weeks, all plants and pipes had been completely resurfaced. The client was thrilled with the results. This story is a testament to the unlimited possibility of dustless blasting, both as a business and as a community. By pooling their resources and manpower together, both of these dustless blasting businesses came out on top. And now that they have a working relationship, they can count on each other when more large jobs come around. For more real-world jobs like this, make sure to check out our case studies page on our website, dustlessblasting.com.